Hi guys, what's up? So basically in this video, I will be teaching you how I animate a head turn with just 3 simple poses. But the 3 poses, you can make a smooth animated head turn like this. It's crucial to watch the whole video if you are determined to learn this tutorial, because you do not want to miss the important steps and techniques. First thing first, we need 3 frames, as we need 3 poses. Also, we need 2 layers. Layer 1 for the body, and layer 2 for the face. Without further ado, let's start drawing the first pose, which is I label as key pose 1. Not to mention, before creating your first pose, you need to determine first where your character's head will turn. Will it turn from left to right or right to left? In this tutorial, I'll do it both. So better, stay with me until the end of the video. When drawing your first pose for your character, the chin should be not fully connected. And the right ear should be visible, and the side back head as well. Like this. We then move to the layer 2, for we draw the face of the character here. The reason why I separated the face and the body, because later on we need to move the face. Stay tuned so you'll know what I mean. Now we are done drawing the first pose. The next step you need to do is copy the face in this layer and paste it on the second pose frame like this. But move it slightly from the right because this pose will be the in-between. When drawing the second pose, the back head should slightly decreased. On the other hand, the chin should be slightly connected, like this. Overall, all you need to do in the second pose is slightly move everything, like the hair, eyes, and etc. Take note that the neck should be aligned from the first pose. Done, now let us proceed to the last pose. Same process like the rest, just copy the face and paste it on the next frame. But this time, the face should be moved extensively, like this. In this pose, the chin should be fully connected. As this pose stands as the front view middle pose, basically it is the middle pose. Both right and left ear should be visible now, and the back head as well. Do it like this. Finally, we are done. The only thing we need to do right now is draw the body. Do not worry, you do not need to draw different poses for the body. Just draw a simple body and then copy and paste it on all the frames. After drawing the body, copy and paste it using the lasso tool. Like this. As you can see, there are lines that is not aligned to the body. So you need to erase and clean it on every frame. That's how easy it was. We are now done drawing all the 3 poses. To complete the head turn animation, we need to color the 3 poses first. Because it can save us a lot of time. I'll show you what I mean later. This is the last and crucial step. We'll add more poses without drawing the poses. Copy the first pose and paste it next to the third frame, like this. Then move the face below the first layer by copying and pasting it below the layer. The reason why I did this, as we need to invert the head. This will be the last pose, and it is the opposite pose of the first pose. Remember to clean it and align the neck to the body. Secondly, we then copy the second pose and paste it next to third frame. Same process, move the face by copying and pasting it below the layer. Then invert the head and align it to the body. Take note, fix the neck by painting over it with a skin color. Now for the last step, which is doubling the frames. Copy each frame then paste right next to it, like this. It's all finished, but to make it more realistic, we should add a blinking effect for the character in the third pose. His eyes should be half opened in the first frame. In the second frame, it should be fully closed, like this. Also, try as well change the place of the pupils. The direction of the pupils is based on where the character is standing. If you want your character will turn his or her head to both directions, then just reversely copy the poses and paste it, like this. The result will be much more better if you add more steady frames. To do that, just copy and paste the last pose and hold it. That's the end of the tutorial. If you want to watch more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe